were mine, I would place at your feet all that I own. You've been so good to me.
Good morning to me. Good whatever time it is where you're at. It's Saturday, September 15th, 2018. It's fall time. Fall has come. There's leaves on the ground. The nice crisp weather in the morning, right? That indicates, why is this moving? That indicates it's fall, which means these fish are gonna be gorging on fish. Bait fish. Here at Lake Washington at Gene Coulon again, not to volunteer. I'm actually here to meet up with my buddy David. I met him last year a couple times on the shore. We were fishing and he got a bass boat. And he hit me up, he's like, hey, I got a bass boat. Do you wanna go fishing? Frick yeah. I'm sure he's over at the boat launch right now. So we gotta go. I gotta go. I have to go. Peace. So we already got the boat launched. Like right when I got here, he pulled up. We were like, dude, let's just get on the water. And I was gonna film like a whole like reveal of the boat, but we don't have any time, man. We gotta get on the water. So once David gets back here, you know, we'll do a little intro with him and get to know him a little bit. But we need to catch some bass, man. We are here to catch some fish. I'll just give you a brief look at the boat real quick. All right guys, so no video intro. Dave and I need to get on the water. We're trying to catch some fish. We're at spot number 1. We're gonna start on the shoreline and then see if we can catch any of these wandering fish. After that, we'll move offshore. It sounds like there's like a million fish down there. Quick update, we've been out here for almost 2 hours. Not a damn fish yet. We've had some little nibbles of perch and that's it. I haven't had anything. So, pulled an audible. We're gonna be fishing by the I-90 bridge for a little bit and then, I don't know. It's looking bleak right now, but gotta stay positive. Gotta see if we can catch a fish today.
Oh, you're stepping on that.
Oh, wait, what do I?
No, you're good.
Okay, what is that?
That trims the motor up and down, so like when you're fishing in front, you know, like a bass fisher is usually going to be doing.
Yeah.
And then he comes into a really shallow.
Oh, got it.
You can trim the motor up so it doesn't hit nothing. Bust out another 1,000.
That sounds about right. Yeah. Bust out another 1,000.
Bust out another 1,000.
Nice one. Decent one. Don't come off. Don't come off. Come to daddy. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Come to daddy.
Man, Daniel.
Oh yeah, they do not want to be caught.
Nice. Oh, that is decent.
Come here, baby. Oh, dude, look how fat this thing is.
Yeah, he's a chunk.
Look how fat he is.
Yeah, bro.
Woo!
Right.
Okay, well, 2.5 hours of fishing. We finally got on a smallie. This guy is probably about 2.5 pounds. It's pretty decent though. Yeah, baby. baby. All right, swim. So I caught that on, this is just a Zoom 6-inch finesse worm. It's green pumpkin with red and black flakes. That's the juice. Oh, what the, really? Oh, dude, my leader came off. That sucks. That wasn't even that big of a fish. I'm salty. Damn it.
Do that all bright?
Huh?
Is that the all bright knot?
I don't even know what kind of knot it was, to be honest with you.
It's from braid to floral?
Yeah. I had a feeling that was gonna happen. I don't think the knot that I tied on there was good enough. I'm not even gonna deal with this.
Yeah, I hate this.
So it is now almost 12 o'clock. We've been out here for 3 and some odd minutes. I caught one keeper. David caught about a 12-incher and then just a bunch of perch. Not the greatest day of fishing, but it is still a day of fishing and we still caught fish. That's all that matters. We had fun. David was nice enough to bring me on his boat.
Hey, what's up, guys? How you guys doing? Beautiful day out here, fishing with the Finja. And yeah, he did good today. And I'll do better next time. There will be many more of me and the Finja fishing on Lake Washington and everywhere else.
But we're gonna get ready to dip out right now. Okay, well, end of the day, we were out there for 4 hours. Caught 2 smallies. I caught one, David caught one. Caught a bunch of perch. We couldn't dial it in. I think we started in the wrong spot. We were at, one spot for about an hour and a half, didn't get anything. Moved over towards the I-90 bridge shortly after. Got into our first smallmouth. And then actually David got into his after, like shortly after mine. And after that it was just little perch, but end of the video. I don't know what to say. I'm pretty much lost for words. I just need to get home and go to the bathroom and then take care of the family. So peace. Yeah. I'm just kidding.